if you wrap your thread with Teflon tape, which actually completely makes sense because a lot of the time it will leak from the coil, right? Because the coil seals it with the glass barrier. With some webs and tap on winner back. Yo, what is going on, you guys? I hope you guys are all having an amazing day. Welcome back to my channel. I'm feeling refreshed. 2019, this is gonna be my year, baby. I'm gonna try to post as much as I can, guys. I don't really know what the plan is today, but I feel like vlogging, I feel like making edits, this and that. But we actually ran into a little problem. Now, as you guys know, my audio probably sounds like dog shit right now compared to what it normally does. And actually, if you look on top of my camera right now, you can see my mic is sitting like retarded. I'll take it off and show you guys what I had to do today. So, yeah, it kind of snapped at the back. And, like, I don't feel like going to spend a bunch of money on another microphone right now. So I kind of just put a self-taping screw in there. And now we're going to switch to good audio once this goes on. Alright, now we're back on the microphone. I hope that sounds a lot better. So welcome back, guys. If you are new here, make sure you guys subscribe to the YouTube channel as always. But I did realize I do need the microphone because on one of my videos when I was vlogging, I was like yelling and it sounded retardedly bad. But I'm gonna update you guys on my life, you feel me? We got the dogs behind me. But what I've been doing lately, you hear me? It's working in here. As you see, we got a big freaking mess. Built my sled, bottom up. Fully built sled now. This race sled is retardedly crazy. I have taken it out, but as you see underneath, we got a lot of oil. It was actually leaking out the exhaust and making it run even worse. So I just pulled it all apart the other night, cleaned it all up. It's got to go back together and riding today. This one, $3,300 later. It's all cleaned up, ready to go, ready to ride. New track. Oh, I just stepped on a rock. New track. Kind of shitty track, but whatever. Still better than the old one. Mine is always good track, good plastics. Update on the 350Z. I'll just poke you guys out there because there's actually snow everywhere. And 350 is looking very good. We started painting them. Now I already showed you guys exactly how to fix a flooded coil once, and the views were actually really good on it. It turned out very good. Good feedback and a lot of bad feedback. But actually a subscriber commented on the video. I'm gonna put it up on the screen. He commented a way to do it. Now shout out to him, guys. I don't know if he's got a YouTube channel or whatever. I didn't really check it out. But if he does, go subscribe to him. I'm going to be making a video on that today. So shout out. I don't have the picture on the screen. But shout out to you. I'll put it up again. Right there. Bust down, Tatiana. Bust down, Tatiana. Okay, so now I'm ready to jump into this video. I have all the supplies I need, guys. So this is part 2 to fixing a flooded coil. Sorry if I'm like in and out of frame. It's just kind of hard because it has nothing really to sit on. Maybe I can prop it up. Can I prop it up? What do I usually prop it up with? That's better. So, part 2 to fixing a flooded coil. Let's dive into this. So, what you're gonna need. Swazo. Teflon tape. Your coil. Your vape. Probably a napkin for the best, so you don't make a mess everywhere. As you see, I'm maturing for my video. Instead of just saying wipe it on my sweats or my sweater, I'm not wiping it on a $400 sweater. So, we got the napkin. Now, I'm not actually going to be doing this on my vape because I just put a new coil in and I usually never get leaking vapes. But I'm going to explain to you why this works because in any of my other videos, I actually don't explain to you why this works. I usually just do it and I run away. And then you guys get left commenting, why does this work? How does this work? Does it work? Yes, this works, and I'm gonna tell you exactly why. So, you have your coil right here. Now let me just try to get this in focus as best as I can. So you got your coil, okay? The only thing stopping the juice from leaking out the airflow is this simple seal, this clear one, around your coil. Now, if you over tighten your coil, it squishes this O-ring, which leads to juice getting between it and leaking out your airflow, which causes you getting super mad. So my first thing is if you want to spend the money, just go get a new coil and don't tighten it as tight. It usually fixes it. But if I just try it on my own, what I usually do for step 1 is I take the vape apart, I clean it, just in case some debris got in there. Because a vape in your pocket, you're doing stuff, there's gonna be debris. That's first step. I take it all apart, clean it, wash it, back together. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Step 2, usually just replace the coil. And step 3, If you don't want to replace the coil, okay, I'm gonna show you how to fix it. I know this is proven because that's the only thing that's holding it. Now, when you have your Teflon tape, this is like pretty well Teflon tape. I don't know if it's exactly Teflon tape, but it's like the exact same thing. Teflon tape. I'm gonna explain Teflon tape for some of you guys who don't know. Teflon tape, you put it on a bolt. Do I have a bolt anywhere? I will be back. I need to make this video perfect. All right, so now I'm trying to explain to you guys everything. So I just went in the garage, got a spark plug. Teflon tape, what it does, I'm gonna show you guys right now. When your thread on your bolt, this is a spark plug, but on a bolt is what you use Teflon tape on. If there's a space or you want a perfect seal on your bolt, you use Teflon tape, right? You wrap it around. For fuck's sakes, my hands are gonna get dirty. So what you do is you literally, it's not sticky or anything. Wrap it around, just like this. Now I use way too much on here. But as you see, okay, let's clean these hands so I don't get roasted. Man, I just had a shower and my nose is running like a motherfucker. That's what Teflon tape does. You wrap it around your thread, it makes a perfect seal. You got a thread right here. Now this coil is kind of doo-doo because it is a lot smaller than, say, Pt.2, other coils. So what you're probably going to want to do is cut a super small strip, and I mean small. And you could honestly go ahead and cut it in half. So what I did is I cut a piece and then I slit it in half because the thread is actually very small in here. And then what you're going to want to do is, this is very hard on this stupid coil. There. That's what you're going to want to do. Is wrap it around like that, thread it in your vape, guys, and bang! Your vape isn't going to leak now because that's going to be a perfect seal. You can tighten it as tight as you want because what it does is it kind of just like squishes into your thread. Like it's going to look really big at start, but just keep threading it and it'll squish into the thread. And I don't know how bad that is for your vape, so do this at your own risk. But anyways, you guys, I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and I hope it worked for you because I know it's worked for me in the past. Actually, when I got that comment, my last coil was leaking, and I tried it, and it worked. So, but I just put a new coil in today, so I'm not going to rip it apart and try it again. And I'm not putting a burnt vape, or I'm not putting a burnt coil into my fresh vape and wasting all that juice, so I'm not going to try it on my vape. But I've already tried it with this tape. This is not the same exact thing as white Teflon tape. I'll put a picture up on the screen. That's what it is. And cut. But anyways, you guys, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, make sure to drop a like. But anyways, you guys, I hope you guys are, man. But anyways, guys, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, make sure to drop a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new, and comment video ideas down below because, like I said at the start of the video, I'm not going to be posting much vape videos. So in that fact, I need I need video ideas pretty well because I don't know what you guys want to watch. But I might just post what I want and then hope it gets views. Whatever gets views, I'm going to keep posting the same thing. Peace.